Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll try to do the 8K video or playback speed test comparison between the Mi 10i versus the POCO X3 device, friends, as you can see here. So I've been using these both phones for quite some time, and both phones that are having the different kind of Snapdragon processors. So let's see, friends, which Snapdragon is the best and how much powerful enough to play the 8K video footage. So this is not the real life scenario test, I would say, but definitely this will put a lot of pressure on the CPU and the GPU performance as well. So that's what I thought of testing in this both phones. The POCO X3 has the Snapdragon 732G processor, and whereas the Mi 10i has got the Snapdragon 750G processor. So on the benchmark segment, obviously the Mi 10i is quite powerful, which has scored about 3,40,000, and the POCO X3 scored about 2,80,000 to 70,000. So definitely in the another benchmark test, the Mi 10i processor is clear winner. But let's see how by playing the 8K video footage side by side, which phone will be able to play and which phone will be able to play faster as well. So most of the Snapdragon processor, if they are not compatible with the 8K videos, they will not play smooth playback. So that's what I'm talking about, friends. So right now let me try to quickly open the MX player to play the 8K video footage right now. So just for check which processor is the best. So it is a 8K video which I have loaded in the POCO X3 device, and let me try to quickly open the same 8K video footage in my Mi 10i device as well. So as I said, this will be the perfect test for the testing of the processors. So that's what I'm doing right now, testing the processors alone. So both phones, they support the 4K 60 FPS and 30 FPS, so there is no point in comparing side by side. So that's why I thought of comparing the 8K video footage, which is not supported in complete playing smooth. So right now, friends, this is the Mi 10i device, as you can see on the top, Mi 10i device, and the bottom one is a POCO X3 smartphone. This is a POCO X3 device. So right now, if you notice, I did see the Mi 10i is playing kind of a little bit kind of speed as well. That is what I did notice right now. So right now the time in the Mi 10i is 25 seconds, and as you can see, little bit the Mi 10i phone is slightly faster than the POCO X3 device. So let me try to start again from the beginning to be sure that I am starting at same time both videos. As you can see, friends, clearly. So both phones, they are starting at same time, but the Mi 10i phone is slightly faster than the POCO X3 device, as you can see. So this is because of the Snapdragon 750G processor. Obviously the processor helps a little bit to perform well while playing the 8K videos, but both phones, they are playing the 8K videos at the moment, but it's not in the full speed, it's playing only in the little bit slow speed. That's what you can see right now, as you can see, friends. And while playing this 8K video footage, I can definitely feel backside of the phone is getting heat as well during this kind of test. But overall, the Mi 10i is slightly faster than the POCO X3 device. And for more this kind of interesting 8K video comparisons and other videos, so make sure to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of the other smartphones. You can find a lot of information in the playlist given in the description below, so make sure to check those playlists as well. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review and comparison of the 8K, and overall the Mi 10i is very much faster. So right now the time is around 37 seconds and 32 seconds here, as you can see. The time difference keeps on increasing. So see you in the next video, friends, with some other interesting topic and interesting comparison, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.